we're going to learn about how to add mixed number. So first of all, you need to know what is a mixed number. A mixed number is actually made up of a whole number and a fraction. So let me give you an example. Okay, so maybe a whole number, let's give it a number 2. And we also have a fraction at the side. So maybe 1/3. Okay, so now let's check. So once you have a whole number and a fraction at the side, this is what we actually call a mixed number. So previously you have learned how to add fraction and fraction together, right? But what about adding mixed number and mixed number together? So let me give you an example. Okay, so maybe 2 whole 7/9 plus 5 whole 1/9. Wow, it looks difficult, right? Actually, it's very easy. You just need to break it up into very small parts. Okay, so first of all, let's get rid of the big number first. Okay, so the big number is actually a whole number, right? So let's get rid of the whole number first. So the whole number here is 2 and 5. So let's add this up together first. So what is 2 plus 5? Yeah, 7. Okay, so I'm going to put a 7 at the answer there first. Then I'm going to add my fraction. So when you do a fraction, what must you always check? Yes, the denominator, right? So you're going to check the denominator. It's a 9 and a 9. So, yep, we got a smiley face over there. So it's the same number, right? We're going to write it at the answer as well. So the denominator is also a 9. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can actually add your numerator. So 7 plus 1, which gives me 8. So my answer is 7/8/9. Not too difficult, right? Let's try another question. Okay, how about 2 whole 1/6 plus 4 whole 1/6? Okay, so what do we need to do first? Yep, get rid of the big number, which is your whole number, right? So what is 2 plus 4? Yeah, 6. I'm going to write the 6 here first. And then I'm moving on to my fraction now. So when you look at a fraction, what do you need to check? Yes, the denominator. So let's check both denominator. Is it the same? Yep, it's the same. Smiley face. So I'm going to write a 6 here. So once I'm done, I can actually safely add up my numerator. So numerator there, 1 plus 1, which will give me 2. Right, awesome. Okay, but let's look at it now. 6 whole 2/6. 2/6. Wait a minute. This looks like something that I can simplify, right? So let's simplify this up. So 2/6, what will be my closest number that I can use? Yep, 2. So I'm going to divide by 2 on top, and I'm going to divide by 2 below. Okay, so when you simplify, okay, the whole number, you just shift it across. Okay, so you don't simplify the whole number, so you just shift it to the other side, and then you simplify the fraction only. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 gives me 1 over 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. So there you have your answer, 6 whole 1/3. Okay, so let's try another example now. 3 whole 1/4 plus 2 whole 3/4 equals. So same thing, we're going to get rid of the whole number first. So let's add both the whole number together. 3 plus 2 will give me 5. Then we're going to move on to the fraction. So fraction, you have to check the denominator. Yep. So let's look at both denominator. Oh, it's a 4 and a 4. Smiley face. And you can shift your denominator here, so it's also a 4. Then once you're done, you can actually add up the numerator, which is 1 plus 3, which will give me 4. Okay, we're done. So let's look at the answer. 5 whole, 4 over 4. Wait a minute, this looks very familiar. 4 over 4. What does 4 over 4 give you? Yeah, it's 1 whole, right? So we actually have over here 5 plus your 1 whole, which will give me 6. Okay, so my answer is actually 6. So what you need to do is, if you actually see a whole number here, this number actually equals to your 1, right? So you just need to add a 1 to your whole number, which is 5 plus 1, so it give you 6. Okay? So that's all for here.